Ochalaba okwanjula n'embaga nga kukutuusibwako
The City Bridals ku Kamukamu Plaza.
He lifts me up, he gives me love, more love than I've ever seen. He's all I've got, he's all I've got in this world, and he's all the man that I need. Hi Sharita.
How are you?
I'm very fine, thank you.
You're looking so beautiful.
Thank you, Sharita.
Gamba sifa abakuze. Otya mwana gwe?
Ndi bulungi.
Biti olwaleero.
Kiri kika, kyo kika. Ndi musanyufu nnyo. Abazadde basanyufu. Nakola PCB, agriculture.
You did PCB? Ate ye yali akola ki?
Yali akola PEM. I picture us being a happy couple, happy family.
Yes, with kids.
Yes, definitely. With kids.
Ekyo kimutandikako.
Tunalaba. Hi Jay. Jay, thank you so much for being honest and true. Thank you for coming home to make this official. Thank you for being with me over the years. I know sometimes I panic, but thank you so much for teaching me to be calm. Thank you for being who you are genuinely. I appreciate each and everything you've done for me. And I love you so, so much. Sharita's Hair Clinic, mwebale nnyo okutuuka e Kole district. Thank you for traveling that whole journey. And thank you for being on time. Bakedde nnyo kumacha. Actually, they even woke me up. Nebankolako. I like what they've done. And I like the fact that they're with me the whole day. I have the whole salon to myself. I don't have to, So thank you so much. I appreciate. I would also like to thank my parents for each and everything. Kwegamba, they've managed everything for me. All I had to do was just go and take my measurements to the tailors. But buli kyonna mami ne daddy bakikwasaganyiza era mbebaza nnyo okunjagala. I would also like to thank my siblings. They've also been there for me. Just omuntu omukubirako akasimu kino nkwetaaga n'atuukirawo, omuntu naleka byakola najja akuyambeko, wabula mbebaza nnyo okubeerawo ku lwange. Julius, Amaria Tech, apoye binu pashu, atale gunu bamedigum aduwong, wabula nze ebyo mbadde nga sibifaako nnyo. Okimanyi
oyagalira musajja
era I don't wanna know sagala.
Siweta Sharita.
Bali ku nyuma.
Owai sala zamwe.
Naye kyokozelera. Onkolo ndozalira yonna yagaddewo.
Naye ontegeera Sharita.
Kyeyanjire mu bitibwa by'essimu.
Kati nze era nga obadde obategeezezza. Nze Sensamba Julius Kojjaawo. Ni musajja wangabi. Era ddenyabo. Atofukamira. Tofukamira tewali buzibu. Ni musajja wangabi. And luckily I've come to get my princess. A true princess, by the way. Yeah, a true princess. Not just Sibia Wolokoso. A princess of Lango. Yes.
That is so good.
Nsibuka Kabowa. Bazadde bange we batuula Kabowa. Emu gyange njikakalabiza mu Ministry of Gender, Labour and Social Development. Era nga I'm a technical advisor. Very big person, by the way, in government. And basically, that is it. Of course, insomye. When tandika ebyokusoma, tubaawo nkya.
Kati omukyala princess wamujja waba princess nga tebaba bangu kusanga.
Era tebaba bangu ba mu Uganda mulimu bameka si babiri. Dokita babiri. Sangalya Mbogo. Nono. Weboka. Nze bemanye.
Oli wa mukisa nofunako omu.
Yeah, Princess Julie. Sometimes
Julius and Julius.
Yeah, so made from heaven, you can say. So twisanga in high school by that.
Amanya gange nze Steven Buyungu. Ndi musajja Muganda. ndi musawo ow'abantu. So
Muganda.
musawo mutendeke ow'abantu. Enyavo nga nze Ndude ne Julius kuva nga tukyali mu high school.
What school is that? Mwogera nnyo ku high school.
Nali SS Namugongo.
Bategeera kati bagaba obiba.
Je twasika ne Julius ne Julie.
Okay.
Era nga byatandika ng'ebyokusaaga.
Yatuma gwe yatwala akabaluwa.
Sinze.
Ono nawe yali kapere mwe.
Ebiseera ebyo byali tebikkirizibwa era nze saabiriimu. Era oba onaafuuka musawo essaawa eyo ebintu tobibeeramu. Kati bikeera beba Julius naye nga I'm so glad njozayoza Julius ne Julie to see that something that happened nga tukyali bato
Like a joke.
Which
class was it? Mwali mu class?
S5.
S5.
Yes.
Mwinanga mu class emu ne Julie.
Fena twali mu class same stream. So
Stream cheyo.
Science. Chemistry class. So
we are seeing them.
Nga tubalaba nga sinze nali sibimanyi. Nasoma bitabo byange. Oluvannyuma lw'emyaka kati gibeera 11
mingi.
Yes, myaka 11 kiba kituwa essanyu nti tebyakomaawo bannaffe abamu ababirimu bwe twamalira okusoma nga baliwe bati bale Cape Town. So njagala okuyozayoza Julius nti kyogenzeemu weebale kungoberera ze yakusookayo.
Musazeewo ne ngamba no. Let it
Part of your success story.
She's part of my success story. She's very prayerful.
Okay.
She's someone who will tell you it will be okay, and indeed it is okay. Julie is someone who will not, you are not fine. Even if you haven't told her, she will call and say, you're not fine. And you just have to tell her, indeed I'm not fine. She's very patient. Ndowooza omulabye Java.
Yes.
They are these big people compared to how I was then. So she loved me as me, which is very, very important in a relationship. And most of all, I love her.
Yes. And that is what matters.
I love her. So one thing, if you asked me about Julie, I would say she's perfect.
She's perfect.
Very perfect.
That is so good.
Yeah.
Already mubeera mwenna obajja weekend.
Ajja n'akyalako tetubeera fenna. Ajja n'akyalako.
Nayoza engoye nasiibula.
Buli kimu nendya kamere nsinga kulya kikomando naye ku olwo.
Atera kujja lwakutaano.
Lwakutaano, yes. Yeah, and she works a distance from town. She works with the Ministry of Agriculture, so traveling. Naye, I'm very happy. Waliwo akayimba kenjogeddeko, akayimba bakayita perfect. Ed Sheeran. Perfect. From today onwards, I'm Yomko, and there should be no other man to bring a cook in this house to take Juliet. And from here onwards, you should always remember that you have given me Juliet.
Ku mulundi ogwokusatu omwami naye yakyusizza n'ayambala bya kiyindi watyo n'akwatagana ne mukyala we naye yabadde ayambadde ekiteeteeyi eky'ekiyindi.
I want to assure you that I have many more envelopes like this, and whenever you feel you want to talk to me, just beat me.
Okay.
You will see a message.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dr. Poa left, so I will request that I can take on his behalf, and then I will also ensure that it reaches him. Thank you very much.
I just want you to receive that present.
Getting home. And twins. Thank you very much.
Taata awunkwasiriza ekirawo kye ekya birthday.
To be proud of us, because we believe that's the pride of a parent. So we came with some presents. This one is a portrait of you. We had it art drawn. We wanted to invest in it because you've invested a lot in us, and all of us here, you see us standing, people admire our dad. We talk about you and mom and how you've been so good to us.
Lagi, Lutuma Telishu, one on Locarni, Illinois Pala, Krishinga Mangolo, you know about pap, about what, about Jun Malay. Amen. Congratulations, celebrations, when I tell everyone to come in love with me.
Sembayo kutuyinza okugamba gwe gwakaboka mwala omukyala yakomyewo nga yambadde mushanana.
Juliet, I'd like to accept this gift. This is just the beginning of the many gifts that are coming. In here, fruits and there's chocolate, there's juice, just a few of the things I know that you like, but it's just a symbol of the many things we have ahead of us.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let's give them a hand clap for the job well done.
Julius ne Juliet kulaga manyi emisitula Delta TV ne Charitas ya Clinic mbitwala endera afoyo mateka.
We polo bol banga mulokole pelibe. We polo bol banga mulokole pelibe. Haha, bulayi bwe bwakubidwa kulikayo nnyo gwelira. Mukasera kano tugenda mu kyasinze tusanyusa tova ku Delta TV tukole.
How are you?
I'm fine, I'm obedient.
You are fine, humble and obedient. I was at the very musomezi omwana. Una Ruzungu. Where is your dad? Is your dad?
Mukano programu yaffe bwetebewede omukolo okitegedde nti Delta TV yayina waaka yonna tutuukayo yonna tukubayo abantu belira afoyo mateek kale no munayi tubagala nnyo yonna gyosinzira okubeera nga otulaba ku Delta TV ku Star Times ku Zuku ku Go TV ku Azam mwenna mwebale nnyo nabali ku free to air decoders tubagala nnyo mwebalire ddala Delta TV koyina okuleeta omukolo gwo kubanga afe abayina waaka BBC yatutongoza bannange mutuleke maama singa abadde gwe nga BBC yajenoonya gwe wandisirikidde wandisirikidde mwana gwe kale nno ndi mukumaliriza program ninga gamba nti City Bridals gyoba ogenda ku gowns ennungi ne changing dresses ennungi ne maids dresses ennungi ennyo omukwano ate era nga balina ne gowns ennungi okitegedde mukwano kale no Falkland tugenda Kamukamu Plaza kwete radio duka number GF34 enviri ne makeup mukolebwako Sharita's Hair Clinic era nga tuli wali eri ku Nasa ku kizimbe wali ng'eddwaliro lya City Council tukubire simu oba tomanyi tujja kulagirira tusomesa n'abagala okuyiga enviri tandikira ku mitwalo 10 omukyala welira fa bamukozeko tujja kukolako makeup bwatyo n'enviri bwezityo singo ja ku Sharita's Hair Clinic negamba mukwano ate Maria's Bridal yanyambaza gomeseze ennungi gendayo nyazi kuwe Kuzai Plaza level 2 room 4 ekifaananyi kyange kyekiri ku dduuka lya Maria's Bridal tebakuwabya Maria yalina waka mu gomesi mbatumidde nnyo benkola nabo otabalaba Delta TV mbagala nnyo mikolo mongero gisomba gujja kunyumira ngoli ku Delta olaba okutali gogwe kunyumira naye atoro gogo ngolese ku Delta afoyo mateek
obadde olaba okwanjula n'embaga nga kukutuusibwako
The City Bridals ku Kamukamu Plaza